Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen, and it's nice to have you here. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a little bit of a gel printing demo. Here I'm using a really watery acrylic paint straight on the gel plate to let it create some blooming effects. This is just a regular pickup print, which I'm doing with the light blue paint to pick up the dark blue impressions that are already on the plate. I'm really enjoying that texture. What do you think? Okay, these little bottles are my custom paint mixtures. This one I think is a fluorescent pink and a yellow with quite a bit of water in it. You'll see when I brayer it out how thin the paint actually is. It needs to have that water content in order to create those blooms, which is the effect that I'm going for here. So I roll it out nice and thin with the brayer as always. And then I kind of let it sit for a minute and let it do its thing. And the way that this works is that the plate actually resists some of the paint, so it kind of pools up in areas and creates dry spots in other areas. I even don't mind the brayer lines here because they create some texture in terms of trails of blooms, which is actually quite nice. I'm using a transparent paper to pick it up. In this case, I think it's wet strength tissue paper. And that will be used in collage, and so everywhere where the paint isn't, i.e. where the blooms are, you'll actually be able to see the papers underneath of that one when I use it in collage. This navy blue color is the best for this. Just watch how that paint blooms. If you look really closely, you can actually see it on camera. Just watch. And then I picked this one up again with another piece of transparent tissue paper, wet strength tissue paper. This is great for use in collage because it goes almost transparent. Well, translucent really. Just look at that texture there. Isn't that glorious? Here's another one with that orange color. In this case, I'm using that paint to pick up the residue of the print before it, which is underneath, so they will mix on the print that results. Again, I'm rolling it out really nice and thin, quickly before it dries. And then I let it to sit and do its thing and pick it up with a piece of paper. In this case, I think it's cardstock. Rubbing it nicely to make sure it has good contact with the gel plate, and then pulling the print. And look at this. This will be great for collage. Who knows what for, but the time will show up when I need to use it. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks!